Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Design. This is the special edition Cricut Thanksgiving Day mystery box. This mystery box is only $39.99 and it includes free shipping. You don't have to worry about having $50 in your order to get free shipping today. You don't even need a promo code. You can just get this box for $39.99 and Cricut will ship it to you for free as their way of saying thank you and happy Thanksgiving to you. This box is only sold in the USA before I start showing it to everybody, and once you see what's inside, you're going to realize why, and I will talk about that. But let's start with the most important thing. Happy Cricut Thanksgiving to everybody. Hope you guys are having a great time with your families and friends over the next few days. So let's see what's inside. All right. Oh my gosh. Wow. It's got a ton of stuff in here. Let's go through it real quick. The Cricut Glitter Gel Bright Pen Set. These write so pretty. Think of glitter. Think of the gel pens. They flow really great. You can use them with the Cricut Explore machines and the Cricut Maker machines. They're so pretty, guys. Okay. Now, you're going to get tons of vinyl in here. Let me tell you what this is because you're going to be excited because this is... The first one is Cricut's holographic sparkle vinyl. Look how pretty that is, and it is in red. So great for the holidays, great for projects that might be themed towards this mystery box. Okay, so then you're also going to get a roll of Cricut's permanent glossy premium vinyl. Now what makes the Cricut permanent glossy premium vinyl so cool is that it lies flat. Even though it's rolled up, it'll lie flat on your mat, and it's super easy to weed, and it's really great to apply. It really will help you with those air bubble issues that some of you guys have. And so you get a roll of the black. You get a roll of red, the tomato red. It's such a pretty color. And you get a roll of the maize yellow. Have you started seeing or recognizing some of these colors? And then you get a roll of the Cricut Permanent Glossy Premium Vinyl in the Bright Sampler. So this sampler has 6 sheets in it, one of each color. They're 12 by 12 sheets. It has red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and kind of a darker green. It's really a fun one to have in your stash. And you also get a roll of the Permanent Glossy Premium Vinyl in the Basic Sampler. So, and it has kind of this tan color and a brown color and a white and a black and kind of a golden kind of color, and then this one looks like it's kind of a maybe more of a silver color. So let's see. And the last roll that you're going to get is the removable matte vinyl. So this is removable. This is the removable one is the one that's great for like putting on your walls, but you can use it on other projects too. It doesn't have to be a project that would be removable. All of these can be used inside and outside. But this is the beautiful turquoise color, and you're going to get that. Okay, so look at those colors. What do you guys think this theme of this mystery box is? Let me show you. It's a Disney mystery box. So they kind of picked colors that would go with Disney colors. This is the Disney Vintage Mickey Deluxe Paper Pack. I think this is so cute. I love vintage Mickey. And the paper, if you have not seen this or used it yet, you're going to love it because the paper is double-sided. It's a great heavyweight quality, so it makes perfect boxes and gift bags and that type of thing. It's also really nice if you're making party decor with it because it really holds up if you're making banners or anything to decorate for your party. So each pattern there's 2 sheets of each pattern, and they each have a coordinating back sheet, so to speak, back side. But it's really cute. Look how cute this is. It is adorable. Okay, so you're going to get a pack of this. You're also going to get a pack for those Disney Princess fans, the Disney Princess Magic Deluxe Paper Pack. Now, this one is really nice because it's more of a tone-on-tone. So it's great for, there again, party decor and scrapbook pages because your photos aren't going to be fighting the different colors against using this as a background paper. And there again, they're all double-sided. You get 2 of each color. Actually, for this one, you get 3 of each color, and then each pattern rather. All right, so you get this one, and you get the Marvel Avengers. So this one's super fun. If you haven't seen this, if you have any Marvel Adventure fans in your family, they're going to love this. Again, great for party decor, great for scrapbook pages, cards, whatever. And again, double-sided, very cool paper, great quality. You're going to love working with the Deluxe Cricut Deluxe paper if you have not used this yet. And there are lots of fun patterns in this. Okay, so this is what you get for $39.99, free shipping. Thanks for using my link to purchase your box. Very limited supply of these, so grab it while you can. If you are a Cricut Access Premium member, you also will get a 10% discount on this box. If you make a purchase and add more to your order to get it to over $50, you can use my promo code SMQD and get an additional 10% off. But anyway, so I just wanted to say happy Cricut Thanksgiving to everybody. Hope you guys enjoy this Cricut mystery box and you have a great time with your family Thanksgiving week.